Hey guys, Sarah here. Josie's here. You know Josie, I had someone asking about you in one of our recent videos. Do you want to come say hi? I'm gonna give Missy a shout out. Come here. Come say hi to Missy. Can you say hi? Oh, here she comes. There she is. Say hi. Oh, thank you. Okay. All right. You said your highs? Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Fabfitfun box for fall 2019. This is a seasonal box, as they call it. So you get it in the seasons, spring, summer, winter, fall. So 4 times a year. It is $49.99 per season. If you haven't signed up before, you can save $10 by using this code right here that I'll put up on the screen. In this box, you will get 8 to 10 full-sized products valued at $200 or more. You do have some choices in customizing this box. Annual members, which are people who pay for the whole year up front, which is what I do, those people get more choices in the box. But everybody does get a choice in some of the products. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. Ugh. So when you open it up, looks just like this. So we're gonna have this magazine right here on top. You know, I don't really look at this magazine too often. I do always look at this page though. That will tell us everything we're getting in our box. It will also tell us the choices that we could have had for each item, which I will go over those with you as well. And then it'll have the values of everything as well. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box, finding out whether we're getting a good deal or not. So yeah, let's just see what we have here. I do have a little card right here that's going to have the code for $15 off a box. I think it has like a one-time use, so I will put that down there below if you would like to get $15 off. Okay, so the first item I am pulling out is a scarf, which seems kind of funny when it's like 100 degrees outside right now. But I do like wearing scarves a lot. I wear them a lot in the winter. So I got this one. Let's go ahead and see how big it is. Oh, so it's fairly long. About as tall as me, I'd say. I know I'm not showing you very much at all, so let's see. It's gonna look really great with my tie-dye I have on today. There it is. Cute little scarf. I love scarves, so I definitely will wear this. I'm not sure if it's showing on camera, but it's, yeah, it is. It's navy and white. I should also mention it's like super, super soft. It feels really nice. Alright, so with that first option right there, you could have gotten the scarf, which I got. You could have gotten the Anthropologie Travel Yoga Mat, or an Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler, or a Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, or you could have picked a mystery item. And the scarf that I chose was valued at $75, so I don't know if I would have paid for that. I wouldn't have paid that. I would never pay $75 for a scarf. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is this, which I remember selecting. Okay. So this is a lunchbox by Kate Spade. It says right there on the front, out to lunch. And then the inside is like a cream sort of color, and it is like a plastic sort of feeling, both the inside and the outside. I chose this lunchbox because I have a job and I take my lunch there. And I do already have a lunchbox, but I kind of thought this was cute, and this is something that I would actually use. It's very like simple looking. Let's see. With this choice, you could have chose the lunch tote. You could have chose Nasi MD detox pads, cut from the cloth slim striped wallet, or a twine cheese board with plate. I chose this because it's something that I thought I would get the most use out of. I eat lunch, and so I thought, why not have a cute little thing to take it in? This is valued at $30. Again, I don't think I would pay $30 for just a like plastic lunch bag. I don't care if it says Kate Spade on it. But since I got it in my Fabfitfun box, I definitely will be using it. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from the Better Skin&Co. This is Lava Magik. It's a cleanser, scrub, and mask. There's the packaging, really cute. This is a cruelty-free brand. However, I'm not sure exactly what this is. Okay, so when you open it up, it does have like a little scoop in there, which I think is really nice when you, at least I know when I have like long nails, I hate putting my fingers in things like this because then it just gets under my nails. Maybe it's just me, but it smells really good. I'm trying to think. It smells like oranges maybe a citrus sort of smell. And then it has like an exfoliating sort of feel, like I'm pretty sure there's sand in this. But it feels exfoliating for sure. I'm curious to give this a try. I love the way it smells, and I love that it came with the little scoop. Okay, and with this option, you could have chosen the Lava Magik, which I got, Bobble Bar Farah Ear Crawlers, which I don't really like I'll show you the picture, it's right there. Not really my style, but I do wear an ear crawler right there in that ear. I'm not sure if you can tell. I really like the style of crawlers, but I just didn't like those ones in particular. Or you could have chosen Cosmetics Pure C, it's like a nighttime serum moisturizer thing. But I chose this and I'm not mad about it, so got that. So the next thing I'm gonna pull out is from Trestique, which is cruelty free. This is the Mini Eye Essentials Luxe Neutrals set. It comes with a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, 2 shadow crayons, excuse me, and an eye pencil. So while I do like these, they're pretty sort of basic colors, and I think I'm just gonna throw them into a giveaway. I'm not gonna say I don't ever, but I typically don't use cream shadows. Every now and again I do, but I have hooded eyelids, so it's just not a thing I like to do. So this will probably just go into a giveaway. It is valued at $48, which I think is bananas. I would never pay that. This is not worth $48. This is worth maybe $20 in my opinion. Let's see, but with that option you could have gotten a dual salt and pepper mill, a after spa hair towel wrap, or the Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. I don't know why I chose those. Probably because it's makeup and my mind just goes towards makeup. I don't know why I chose those, honestly. I should have chose a salt and pepper mill. I'd probably get more use out of that. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Skin&Co, which I've been seeing so much of in boxes lately. I think this is like my 3rd thing I've gotten in like 2 months from this brand. But this is the Skin&Co Truffle Therapy Face Toner. It's interesting. It smells a little bit coconutty maybe. So I've been really into toners lately. I don't know why. It just is like my favorite part of my skincare routine. But this is a gentle toner that uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. So I'm currently using the Pixie one. I've been on that for a while, but I do have a couple other toners that I've gotten in boxes that I want to try. So maybe I'll give this one a try next. It is a great size. I go through so much toner, maybe I'm using too much. It is valued at $30. And with this option, you could have gotten the toner, you could have gotten the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, which I've tried before and I really do like, but I wanted to try something different, so that's why I didn't pick those. Or the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. Really like toner, so I thought I would get something that I definitely know I'm gonna try. I'm not sure if I said this is cruelty free. Okay, so the last couple items we're gonna talk about are things that every person will be getting in their box. The first one is from Aveda, which I just found out is cruelty free because I was looking into their website because I remember when I used to go to an Aveda salon and their shampoo just smelled the best. I just love the way Aveda stuff smells. And so I was curious, are they cruelty free? And they are. So I was actually surprised to hear that. But this is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It says instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So yeah, it looks like you just put some into damp hair. I don't think you have to heat style afterwards. I think it's both repair and protectant. So that's cool. Let's see what it smells like if it has that classic Aveda smell. kind of does. Like that clove scent. I don't know what it is about those products. They just smell so good. Okay, so and that's valued at $30, which is a little bit expensive, but it is salon hair care, so it always tends to be a little more pricey. Yeah, excited to give this a try. It's like they knew I was like looking into the Aveda website. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, the next thing I'm going to pull out is from Harper plus Ari. This is an exfoliating sugar cube. So there's that. It says Juice Cleanse there right on the side. You know, I've never heard of this brand, so I can't tell you if they're cruelty free. But let's see what this smells like. It smells so good. I hope this is cruelty free. It smells so good. It smells like a melon or something. I don't know what else to describe it as. Like a melon gummy bear? I don't know. I mean, I know it's literally sugar that I'm sniffing. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so it's got more than sugar, but that's kind of cool. I like to exfoliate, obviously. Well, maybe not obviously, but I usually do it before I put on like self-tan. So I hope these are cruelty-free because they smell amazing. And those are valued at $16. One last item. This is Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. It says vegan and cruelty-free right on the front. Here's the packaging. It is kind of cute, bright, fun stuff. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, I want to say human plus kind. Humankind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. I don't see a scent on here though. Maybe it's not scented. Let's go ahead and see. It smells like flowers. I don't know. It has a real nice floral scent. It is a lotion, not a body cream, if that makes sense. It's like watery. It's more watery is what I'll say. Oh, it smells like what are those purple flowers? Okay, so I found the flower it smells like. It smells like a hydrangea. I'm just going to show you on my phone. Have you ever seen those bushes with those purple flowers? That's what it smells like. I really like the way it smells. Normally I'm not into floral scents, but I think because I had those kind of bushes in my yard growing up, it kind of like reminds me of home. So I really like the way that smells. Let's go ahead and get a quick value for everything I got in my box. Alright, so my box's total value was $279, which I don't think is a bad price when you're paying $50. I like pretty much everything I got in here. I don't think there's anything that, well, except for maybe this. This is something I wish I would have chosen something different. Not too excited about this. But there's probably somebody out there who would really love this. It's just not me. I think I'm most excited for my scarf. I can't wait for like cooler weather to be able to use this. And probably this. I don't know. And this lotion. And the toner and the sugar cubes. I don't know. I liked everything. I would love to know what you guys thought of my box. If you get Fabfitfun, what did you get in your box? If you made some different choices than me, let me know right down below in the comments there. I think that's all I have for today's video. Josie, do you want to come say goodbye? You know everybody's here for you, right? You're the star of this show. Want the Josie cam? Here she is. Oh, come back. Come say hi. Come here. Josie. Josie. Say hi. You don't want to be a star anymore? The limelight's too much for you? Okay, well, we understand. Oh, Harley, you want to be a star? Oh, look, Harley. Come here, up here, say hi. Oh, now that Harley wants to be in the picture, now you want to come back? Harley just wants to be a star, but Josie won't let her. Oh, there she is. This is Harley, the one who's never in camera. She's a little quiet girl. There she is. So I'm just an old lady. Oh, she's stealing your shine. I know you can't be the Harley. I'm sorry. It's all about Josie. Okay. All right. Good. Go on. All right. Well, that's been everything for today's video. Josie got her time in the limelight, which I think is the reason why everybody is here, so I hope that makes you happy. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more of Josie, more of Harley, more of Bronx, go and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.